I'm going to use this web app to test whether or not certain objects or items are conductors or insulators. I'm going to start by pulling down a wire and connecting it to a battery. I'm just clicking and dragging these objects down into the screen. I'm going to put a light bulb in here somewhere. And then I'm going to connect a wire. I'm not, however, going to connect these two wires. If I do, the light bulb will light up. That's because you'll have a complete circuit with electricity flowing, and we know that'll light the light bulb up. What I want to do is test some objects or items down at the bottom here in this list to see whether or not they will conduct electricity. So I'm going to choose an eraser to start with. I'm going to connect the eraser to the wires to make a complete circuit and see if the light bulb lights up. The light bulb does not light up, so this object, the eraser, is considered to be an insulator. I can click on that eraser and remove it, and then I can drag another object down here to test it. I'll want to make sure I connect both sides to the object to test it.